Today, I'm going to show you how to protect your spreadsheet. Now we can do this in a couple of different ways. First, we can stop people from even opening up the spreadsheet without a password, so they can't see anything within your spreadsheet. Another option that you have is that we can protect the sheet from editing so that people can go in and they can see what's on the spreadsheet, but they're not going to be able to change anything on it. Let's get started with the first one that I mentioned, and we're going to stop people from even being able to open the spreadsheet in the first place. First, you need to click on the File tab up top, and then we're going to go down where it says Info here. You can see that the top option here where it says Protect Workbook, that's what we're going to want to click. And once we click that drop down, we're going to have several different options. And the one that we want to use here is Encrypt with Password. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on that. Now at this point, Excel is going to ask you to put a password on the workbook so that you're able to open it up in the future. And it's important to note that if you forget this password, you are out of luck. Excel's not going to be able to recover the workbook for you. It's not going to let you in. So make sure you put down a password that you're not going to forget. I'm going to type mine out here. I'm going to click OK, and it's going to make me enter it one more time just to make sure I've got it right. And now my workbook's protected. Just to make sure that it works, I'm going to exit out and try to open it back up again. So I'm going to click on the file. And when I did that, this little box came up. And just to make sure it works, I'm going to actually enter the wrong password here. Click OK, and it's not letting me in, which is perfect. This time, let's enter the right password and click OK, and we're good to go. So now let's move on to the second example, where we want people to be able to go into the spreadsheet and look at the data, but maybe not change what's within the spreadsheet. So this is a good example. I've got all my sales listed out here of all these different drinks. So I want my people to be able to go in and see the sales, but I don't want anybody to accidentally click on a cell and delete some information. Doing this is super simple. First, you need to go up to the Review tab right here. And once you've got that selected, go over to where it says Protect Sheet and click down. You've got several options on what you can allow people to do, but generally, having just the top two selected, which is what it defaults to, is what you're going to want to leave. Once you're good to go with what's checked and what's not, you can just enter a password up top again. I'm going to do a different password than before, not that it matters. Excel again is telling me that I need to remember this password and that I'm out of luck if I don't remember it. And I'm going to click OK. And now anyone will be able to open up the spreadsheet, but they won't be able to edit it once they get it open. Just a quick note, if you want to reverse this, all you need to do is click Unprotect Sheet now, enter the password once, and it'll be back to its original form. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give the video that you're watching right now a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks again.